Welcome back, guys. It's Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? I'm going to show you how with $20 you can make thousands. It's safe, it's legal, and it's hands-free. It's automatic. So stay tuned for this one. But before we get into it, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment on the video, share this to your friends so everyone else you know can help get started on their financial future. And with that, let's get to it. If you remember my previous video, I asked you if there was one thing that you could do to start saving for your financial future and thinking about your future. Start off small. Save $20 this week. If you've done that, I've got $20. We're going to do it together. I'm going to show you how you can get started saving for your investing in your financial future. It is low risk and it's pretty much automatic. So let's get to it. All right, here we are on Google Finance right here. I've got the S&P pulled up. And did you know that if you invested $20 in the S&P every week, so $80 a month, $20 4 weeks is $80, for 5 years into the S&P, you would have made thousands of dollars. Let's take a look, shall we? Pull up our investor calculator. As you can see, I have the chart for the 5 years. The S&P has gone up 70% in the last 5 years. So we'll just go over to our investment calculator right here. Our starting amount, we're going to start off with a month because it goes by a month. So $20 a week. The price less than a monster a day. So $80 we'll put in for 5 years, and the return is 70% because that's what the S&P did for 5 years. And your additional contributions is $80 every month, because remember, we're doing $20 a week. So, and we just hit calculate. $24,000 you would have in 5 years. Just simply a monster a day, $20 a week, you'd have $24,000. Now, can you expect those kind of returns now? That's tough to say. Probably not likely. The average return is going to be probably significantly less, but you will still come out with a significant amount of money, and you can do this completely automatic. So I'm going to show you how. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up our stash. Now I have the link down on the description. If you sign up, you will get an additional $20 in free stock. So go ahead and click on the link and sign up and follow along with me, okay? All right, I've got my stash account up and running. And once you sign up and you link your your bank account, and ID verification, we're going to go right over here to invest. We're going to find an investment, and you've got your $20 in your bank account. We are going to select SPY. Now, SPY is the ETF of the S&P 500, the chart that I had showed you earlier. And here you have the same chart right here. And if you look at the 5-year right here, all the way up from 249 all the way up to 440, 460, 471. It's gone down a little bit, and you know, we are in a recession / stagflation, so things are going to be a little slow going, but I do expect everything, once you know, when in doubt, they always say when in doubt, zoom out. And here you have zoom out. We can even go to the 10-year. Look, it has always gone up. So the market will recover. It is about the long term. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is investing for your future. You will thank me in the long run. So we'll go right over here. We want to invest. Now you can do this all on your mobile app. It's pretty much identical. It'll be a little bit, the setup will be a little bit different, but the steps are the same. So we want to go ahead and invest. We want to take our $20. We're going to go ahead and put $20. We're going to click buy SPY. And we want to put it in our personal portfolio. And this is where we make it automatic. We want to put it on a schedule. So every time we get paid, this money will come out the next day or shortly thereafter. But you want to do it right after you get paid. That way the money is gone. You don't miss it. You don't recognize it's gone. It's already gone and invested into your stock for your future. And pretty soon you'll forget all about it. And next thing you know, you've got thousands and thousands of dollars. So we're going to go ahead and put it on a schedule. Confirm the schedule. And you're going to select your card that you have right here. And here you go. We went ahead and we purchased our Spider EFT for $20. We'll go back to our investment and we'll go over to the main menu. We'll go down to our auto stash, manage auto stash. Now, when you go ahead and you purchase your auto stash, you want to select your schedule. Your Spider here, you have this. We want to do this. I have already set it up to do weekly, but you probably want to do it bi-weekly. You can set the date that you want to do it. I get paid on Wednesdays, so I put it the day after. So I have it on Thursdays, every Thursday, right after my payday. And here we do. We have the $20 right here after my payday. You can do it weekly, bi-weekly, or once a month, wherever you get paid. You get paid weekly, you get paid bi-weekly, or some of you get paid monthly. However you want to do it, you can set it up to the exact date. So there you have it. Simple, straightforward. You don't have to mess with it. It'll do it all automatically for you. You can leave it alone, and you will thank me in the long run. And that's it. That's all you have to do to set yourself up and get started saving and investing for your future. $20 a week, $80 a month, however you want to do it. You will have thousands in the future. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.